Hey there guys, this is TEEJ here, or TJ, whichever one you wish to choose. Pick your poison. They all work. Now, today, as you guys will know by now, double upload. This is Jin's I'll Be There. Now, Jin was already a part of the end of this week's uploads, so it's just kind of funny that a new one dropped right then. YouTube recommended it to me, and I'm like, huh. Should I just cancel one and do the other, or like what do I do? But of course, me being me, we're just gonna do both. Why choose? From the thumbnail, it looks very down to earth. You know, your band session. You're just chilling with your homies, just like rehearsing the songs in whatever location you guys find. That's what it seems like. So I'm kind of already getting an air around it. It's just very homey. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I can't tell you guys how much I love singing Skaters in a music video. So, Jin, plus 10 respects points for that one. Plus 10 for each skateboard I see. As you guys may have known, if I ever even said it, I don't even think I've ever said it, but back in high school, my days would be split 3 hours skating straight. Come back, and for the rest of the night until like dinner, and most likely afterwards too, it'd be hours of just vocals, just screaming. So as you guys know, I come from the metal background, so metal, unclean vocals, grit, all the good stuff. That's my comfort zone. Whereas like the more clean and beautiful type singing, such as what members of BPS do, that's where I'm most uncomfortable as far as doing it myself. All right, let's go back. Actually, it seems like for Jin's songs we just keep running it back. That may be a thing. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. The drums, the atmosphere, like I already love it. The potential to be my favorite Jin song. Fast life. We see you. Like I said before we started, these are the vibes. Random location, playing your music, people crowd around. Kind of like those YouTube videos where someone starts playing the piano in a mall or some random corner, and then people gather over time. That see, the shopping girls are just like pointing like, hey, look at them. Dude sitting there, pulled up a lawn chair. He's chilling. Skaters rolled over. They're sitting there. Looks like we have some active walkers here. Just stopped like, hey, this music's really capturing me. Like, hey, let's Let's give it a moment of our time, yeah? And then that moment becomes the entire song. Absolutely love it. Again, he's giving me, well, if you watch the Epiphany reaction, then it's again. If not, this is the first time. He's giving me my old school vibes that I love so much. Not so aggressive, just enough bluntness to give you like a little pump as far as the rock side goes. We can all be happy. Fucking confetti. Hey.
기분이 울적할 때 혼자라고 느낄 때 기대고 싶어질 때 I'll be there for you. 1, 2, 3 I will be there forever. 난 변하지 않아. I'll be there for you. There for you. Oh oh oh. Oh oh oh.
Yep. That nice little jump at the end. Beautiful. Love it. My favorite Jin song. No need to think about it. That one is the most... Now you put certain songs in categories. That one will go in the I'm tired, I need energy, or I'm having a good day, or I want to have a good day, or I want to feel good vibes, you know. That goes in those categories there. That was very feel-goodish. Vocal prowess, the song we just listened to, Epiphany. That's like, you know, I want to hear something crazy. I want to feel the talent. That goes to Epiphany. I want to live in the moment and feel the vibe. You know, it's really soak up being here and being alive. I'll be there. If I want something distant and such as if I'm like listening to Yoongi's So Far Away, if I want to follow that up with, I'll listen to something like The Astronaut. Yup. Super Tuna. I can't believe we still haven't gotten to that. That was Jin's I'll Be There. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. I appreciate you.
I see you.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. What a banger. Let me know down in the comments how you feel about the song and or the video in comparison to how I felt about it throughout the reaction. This Jin guy here is getting more interesting as we dive into him. Is he not?
And with that being said, I'm gonna leave it there, and I'll see you all in the next video.